Hi, so in the last video I did missions 3 and 4 of Challenge Missions 1 in Cyber Robotics 101 in CoderZ, and now I'm going to go ahead and try mission number 5, so let's see how it goes. Big Challenge 1. Okay, so what do I want to do first? I'm going to take it slow, step by step. So first I want to walk forward until I hit this block, then I want to stop and then turn to the right. So let's go ahead and use this drive power forward block, then a until touch block. Now after that I'm going to turn, so I don't want to do time-based turns anymore. I want to keep using angle-based turns, so I'm going to grab another drive power forward. So I need to add steering, not duration. Duration is for time-based turns. We're not doing time-based turns anymore. I want to turn to the right, so I'm going to need positive 100 here. I'm going to add a wait until gyro block. Because it's a right turn, I need to use less than, and I'm going to use negative 90 in this box right here. And after I turn, I do want to move forward until touch. So let me grab this one here, and because I already used an angle, I'm going to go ahead and add a gyro reset after that. And then let's see how that goes. So it should get me over here to this one. Okay, so when I walked forward and I stopped and I turned, I used a 90-degree turn. So this turn is too big. So I'm going to use negative 80 instead of negative 90 and see how that goes. Negative 80. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use where is it? The repeat block, so that way I don't have to use, keep adding more and more blocks here. So what I need to be repeated is the, turn and forward. So I need to do, let's see, here. I think this is what I want to be repeated. Because these first two blocks, this one here is to walk forward, this one here is to stop at this, block. And then after that, I turn to the right, I walk forward until I get to this one, and then once I get here, it resets, and then I turn to the right, walk forward, come here, turn to the right. So this should work. If I use maybe 3 repeats, I'm hoping that it's going to get me here. So let me go ahead and run that. So far it's working out pretty well. Now, it has been a while since I've done a curve. I know I looked at it the other day, so hopefully I remember this correctly. So at this point, I want to turn to the right. So I'm going to go, actually I'm going to throw this in the trash. I'm just going to copy it from here. I'm going to turn to the right. And I'm going to copy this one also. And then copy this one, but I'm going to put drive power 0, just so that it doesn't go anywhere. I just want it to turn right once I get to this point. So let's see how that goes. Hopefully it'll get me to turn right at that spot where I was at right now. Good. Okay, after this, I want to go ahead and do the turn. Now, if I remember correctly, I'm going to need to add a drive power is going to be very low. No, it's going to stay at 100. Steering is what needs to be low, and it's also going to be negative because I'm going left. So let me try, I don't know, negative 5. Oops, not 15, just 5. I'll start off with that, and if I need to make it higher, I'll make it higher. If I need to make it lower, I'll make it lower. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so let me try making it lower. I don't know if I don't remember if using a lower number will make the turn even wider, or if it's going to make the turn short, like more short. So, you know what, now that I think about it, it might be better to use a number between 5 and 10. Let me try negative 7, instead of something smaller than, well, technically bigger than negative 5. I'll do negative 7. Let's see how that goes. Generally, you don't want to mess with the speed. Let's see. Okay, that worked out slightly better, and I want to get all of the, the green energy cans. So I definitely paused it because I don't want to try to pass the stage yet. I want to get all the cans. So as I was saying, try not to use this timescale button, because some of my students have noticed that changing the timescale kind of sort of changes the physics of the simulation in a way, so that the turning is a little bit off and other weird little things like that happen. Let me try negative 8 this time, and hopefully that'll work better. So I've been watching the videos and seeing the YouTube analytics, learning more about how YouTube works. And okay, so that was 8. Let's try negative 9. Maybe that'll be the sweet spot. I know the people who watch these videos just kind of want to get to the end. you know, and people just go to YouTube to get whatever they need, and I don't mind. But some of my videos have gotten a lot of views, and it kind of, I know, wait, hold on, let me just keep going before I rant. Okay, so there might be something happening here with this angle. You know what, I've never tried using decimal numbers, so let me try using negative 8.5 and see how that goes. I know there's a lot of people who are watching these, and I hate to be that guy, but if you're watching this and, you know, it's useful to you, and you know, it's helping you out, please consider, ooh, that's good. Please consider, you know, subscribing and liking the videos. Anyway, I'm gonna add a duration here, and I'm gonna try to get it to stop here. So I'm guessing that this rotation from here to here might be like 6 seconds, maybe. So I'm gonna add 6,000 duration. Let's see how that goes. 6,000. Okay. So like I was saying, you know, sometimes I see YouTube videos, and you know, I don't always subscribe to all the ones I've seen, but you know, the ones that I keep going back to, I do subscribe and I do like their videos. Okay, good. This worked out pretty good. So from here, I want to, I guess, turn slightly to the left. So here I'm going to add a drive power forward, I'm going to set steering, let's see, to, oops, no, do not undo. I do need steering, and I want to just turn a little bit to the left, because I want to drive into this block, but also while grabbing these 3 cans right here. So I need to steer to the left. So I'm going to need a negative number here. Let's try negative, I don't know, negative, oh wait, I'm trying to do an angle steer, so I need steering to be negative 100. I do want the, wait until gyro, it's going to be positive, and it's going to be, I don't know, let's say positive 15. And hopefully it'll turn to the left, and then I'll be able to walk forward until I touch that block. So let me add a until touch, and then a gyro reset after that, and let's see how that goes. Hopefully that'll get me here. I forgot what I was saying, but basically, if you like these videos and you're getting, you know, some kind of use out of them, please consider liking and subscribing. You know, as you do more and more YouTube videos, you know, it kind of turns into, you know, it kind of just turns into, it starts off as a hobby, but it just becomes something you want to be good at. So here, I definitely missed the mark with those 15 degrees. So let's try turning to the left. I don't know, let's try 40 degrees, and let's see how that goes. Now, I'm not an expert at CoderZ. I know there's probably a better way to do the coding. There's, you know, math involved in measuring, you know, the angles and everything. Huh. That looks about the same to me. I don't think it's turning. What did I do wrong? If I'm driving forward, and I'm steering to the left, and I'm putting a positive greater than symbol here, and I'm using a positive number, honestly, I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. If I remember correctly, yeah, because this block here is to turn to the right. So I use a positive drive power and a positive steering because it's a right turn. Down here, the drive power stays positive, but the steering is negative because I want to go to the left. And the angle is going to be positive because I'm doing a left turn. And over here, I need a negative angle and a less than symbol because I was doing a right turn. So here I need a greater than symbol and a positive. But it really doesn't look like it's turning at all. It just keeps going straight. So somewhere here and here, something is not happening correctly. Okay, I need a gyro reset here. Okay, so I'm gonna add a gyro reset right there, and that should work. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, you know, I would really appreciate it if anyone who's watching this, you know, and I know some of my videos have gotten maybe 1,000, 2,000 views. Not all of them, of course. Okay, now I turned too much. So let me see. Let me change this to. Let me go back to about a 15-degree turn. 40 was too much from here, so let me go ahead and do that. Yeah, so not all of my videos have, like, you know, a lot of views, and 1,000 even is not that much, but to someone who's starting out, it is. Uh-oh, I don't need that. Thank you. Okay, see how it goes. Okay, so 15 was still too much. Maybe I should do a 5-degree turn. Maybe 15 is too much. Maybe up to 10 degrees. See how that goes. You know what? I haven't even tried to see what it says here. Steering -9. Huh. Oh. It's kind of giving you a hint. How nice of them to give you a hint right there. Oh, not a. I was better off with 8.5 because that 9 makes me miss this edge again, and I want to get all of them. So I'm gonna go back to a negative 8.5. Sorry about that. I just had to try it. Let's see. Go ahead. And I have noticed more people commenting, like saying thank you, which I really appreciate. And I also have seen, okay, that was a 10. Even 10 is a little bit too much, so I think I am going to leave it at, let's see, 5. And I think that will work the best. So it's gonna turn there, and go forward, and then it should stop once it touches the block. And then from there, I'll be able to turn, go that way, and then turn again, go that way, and then the end. So, let's see. Yeah, so I have seen a lot of comments of people saying thank you. Not a lot, but I really appreciate those who do, so thank you. It really helps me feel more motivated to do more videos. So those of you who are asking for me to do, oh, do challenge missions 2 or do challenge missions 3, I'm not there yet. I'm still here in challenge missions 1, but those comments really do help me feel more motivated to keep going. Okay, so now I need to turn. It's a big turn to the right. I think this will be a 90-degree turn to the right. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this one, duplicate. Copy this one, because these were to make a right turn. So I'm going to add these to the bottom. Put that there, copy this gyro reset. Oh, I'm going to add a until touch. Copy it from up here, add it here, and then do the gyro reset. Hopefully that'll get me here. Let's see how that goes. Now, I didn't mess with the angle, so I'm probably going to need to change that right now. I just want to see if it kind of gets me in that direction. Okay, obviously that was not enough. So if this was an 80-degree turn, a 90-degree turn would be like this. So maybe let's do 110 or 120 degree turn. So let me go all the way down here. I'm going to change this 80 to negative 120, and hopefully that's the sweet spot to get me over here. Let's try it. Okay, 120 was too much. Let's go ahead and try, let's try the 110. Let's try the 110. So negative 110. And maybe if that doesn't work, I'll need to do negative 115. Let's see. Okay, looks good. Okay, looks like the 115 was right, so let's try 115. And I'm hoping that then I can just wrap a repeat block around this, and then we'll be done with this part. And I think I'm going to go into the next one too. I might do one of the next set of missions. Just try it to see what I'm getting myself into for the next video. Great. Okay, so let's see. What I need to repeat is the turn. Everything after that turn, basically. So including the turn. So the turn is, let's see. 5, gyro reset, drive power forward, and then this is the turn, right? Get angle. No, that's right here. And then drive forward, that gets me over here, wait until touch. So, this here, I think that's what needs to be repeated. So let me grab that repeat block. And stick this in there, and do 2, 3 repetitions. And I think that'll be it. I hope that's it. So, let me just scroll down as the blocks, light up. Okay, let's see. Moment of truth. Oh no! Okay, no. Good, I stopped it just in time. Okay, so from here to here is a different angle than from here to here. That's why this repeat didn't work, so I'm gonna get rid of it. But I can still just make copies of these. So let me duplicate this, that goes down here, and then duplicate this one. I'll go ahead and copy the wait until touch also, and the gyro reset. Now let me look at this one. So maybe I guess 115 was too much, so let me try 110 here. Negative 110. And that should get me just up to this point, I think, if if I'm thinking about it correctly in my head. Let's see how it goes. Good. So now all I need to do is to turn again, and since that is pretty much right there, I don't know if the same angle will work, but I'm assuming it will. So let me just copy all of this, and that should be it. Let me put that there, and just put that there, and that should be good enough. Thanks for watching these videos. Those of you who have helped give some of my videos over 1,000 views, I really appreciate it. If you have seen these videos and they've helped you out, and you have not subscribed, please do. It's just like I was saying before, it helps to motivate me to do more videos. So if you need help with CoderZ, and you want to see more content, please consider subscribing. Okay, congratulations, you have completed the last challenge, Missions 1 mission. How was it? OMG. Awesome. So let me submit. And let me go ahead and go to the next pack, and I'll try some of these. So this is the first time that I'm getting into this set of missions, so let's see how it goes. I'm going to try to do maybe 1 or 2. Mission 1, under Object Detection 2, detect objects from a distance using the ultrasonic sensor. Bad containers are bad for you. Bad containers, you have to lose to know how to win. Use containers to know when to turn. Watch out though, they bite. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Tap love. When your code to go around the square. Write your code to go around the square. Touch all the containers, even the bad ones next. Small tips can go a long way. Okay. So, what do I need to do here? Oh. Okay. I'm gonna try to do this without touching those blocks, those red ones. So let me drive forward, and I'm gonna use duration. I only want to drive for, let's say, 3.5 seconds. Oops, no, I do not want to comment. Remove comment, duplicate, 3,500. Let's see what happens there. Let's try 3,000. Let's try 2,500. Okay, good. So now I'm going to turn to the left, so I'm going to need a drive forward, I add steering, I make the steering negative, so let's do negative 100. I want to turn to the left, so I need a wait until gyro with a greater than sign and a positive, let's say, well actually, you know what, maybe I'm getting too complicated there. Let's do 2,500, I mean just 2,000 here, let's see how that goes. Maybe I can try to, do a curve there. Let me do a little bit less, 1,500. Okay, so I'm gonna need to do slightly more. Let's try 1,700. And hopefully let's do 1,600, and hopefully I get enough space there to be able to do a nice turn there. Nice wide turn to the left. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and copy this one. And I want to turn to the left, so I'm going to add steering, and I'm going to make the steering negative. And I want it to be wide, so I'm going to use a low number. Let's try negative 7. And let's see how that goes. Okay, good. So let's try negative 10. Maybe I can get it to turn into that row there. Okay, that was too ambitious. Negative 9. Let's see. I guess either way I'm going to have to do an angle turn. So let me add drive power forward, set steering, make it negative 100. Oops. I need a wait until gyro. Let's turn it about, I don't know, I want to say 45 degrees. So this needs to be greater than, this needs to be positive 45, and then I need another drive forward. And let's see how that goes. Okay, what happened? Why didn't it turn? Drive power forward, I need steering, gyro to a positive number with greater than symbol. I did use angle turning up here, so I don't see why I would need a gyro reset. Unless it just wasn't enough? I don't know. Let's try 90 here. Let's see if it changes it, if it changes the path. Oh, okay, it just wasn't enough. So let's try negative, or just positive 80, because 90 was too much. I needed to just, you know, turn this much, not too much over here to the side. Okay, so it would help to do, maybe here I'll copy this. No, this one, I'll copy this one. Wait. Huh. Maybe it's the same way? Maybe I can just wrap a repeat block around the whole thing and call it a day. Let's see. Repeat all of this. Put all of that in there. Repeat it 5 times. And let's see if it works. Okay, no, I was way off. So, let's see. I guess these distances from here to here and here to here might not be the same, so that's probably why it didn't work. Or maybe there's some other reason. I don't know. I figured since it was a square, it would work, but I guess not. Okay, so so this code here gets me at least to here, right? Let me just run it real quick. Okay, I think I need a drive power forward here to keep that from happening. Okay, so drive powered forward, 4, let's try 2500 here. Okay, so let's see if this same, turning is gonna work again. So I add this here, and then after I turn, I need to drive forward. So let me see if this works. I'll just not use this one for now. No, I do not want to miss anything. Let me try negative 11 here. Let's see what happens. Okay. So let me try. I don't know, negative 8. Okay, negative 8 kind of looks good. I'll try negative 7. I think smaller numbers make for wider turns, I think, if I remember. Okay, good. Let's see. Let me add duration a little bit longer. Let it keep going for 2000 here. Hopefully I don't crash into that cube. Okay, good. So now I need to turn left again. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy which code to get rid of this. I need to copy this one. Drive power forward. I'm guessing the angle's the same. Drive power forward again and drive reset again. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so here, let's see, 80. I guess 80 wasn't enough. Let me try 90. A full 90-degree turn. Okay, so it seems like 90 was a little bit too much. Let me do 85. And then I think that's good. Oh, good. This is a green square, so all I need to do is just go forward here. Let me take off the duration. And then just do forward until touch. So forward until touch. Hopefully it stops at that green square. Good. Now here I do need to do hopefully just a 90-degree left turn and then go forward, and that's it. So let me try that. I need this block here. I need to add steering. I need to make the steering negative because I'm turning to the left, so negative 100. I need a wait into gyro block. Oops, not until touch. Get rid of that. Let me copy this one right into gyro. It's a left turn, so I need it to be greater than, and I am going to use 90 because I'm touching this block, and then just from here to the left, it does just look like a 90-degree turn. So after I turn that 90 degrees, I just need to go forward, and that should be it. So if I'm right, that'll work. Thanks for watching these videos. Thanks for everyone who leaves comments. I'm sorry if I haven't gotten to the level you're at. I'm progressing pretty slowly. There are other YouTubers who... Oh no! Okay, so I wasn't quite there yet. I got a little ahead of myself making a little speech here at the end. Okay, so 90 is too much. So I guess maybe 85 was going to work here too. So let's do 85. Yeah, so if you're at a level that I'm not at yet, there are other YouTubers out there who are doing CoderZ. You can try looking for one of those videos. I'll get there eventually, just, have patience. Yes, but please, again, if you watch these and, they help you, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.